Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Rokkr app. First, you'll need to download the application. Look for it on a trusted app store or directly from its official website. Once downloaded, proceed with the installation process on your device. After installation, simply tap the app icon to open it. This will bring you to the main interface, ready for the next steps. Now that the app is open, let's add some content sources. Head over to the Manager section within the app. Here, you'll find an option to add new media sources. You'll need to input a valid URL for your desired content. Double-check that the URL is accurate to ensure everything works smoothly. Once entered, save the source, and your content will begin to populate. With your sources added, it's time to explore. Browse through the vast library of movies and shows now available. Simply select the title you wish to watch. Before playback begins, you might have options to choose your preferred streaming quality, from standard to high definition. Pick what suits your internet connection best, then sit back and enjoy your chosen entertainment with seamless playback. To ensure the best experience, always keep your Rokkr app updated to its latest version. If you encounter any streaming issues, first check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial. If content seems to be missing, verify that your source URLs are still active and correctly entered. For minor glitches, a quick restart of the app often resolves the problem, getting you back to your entertainment quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.